Guys, so my nose is really itchy. We're coming up to the 10-year anniversary. I'm going to sneeze. Oh, it's dusty. Yeah, so we're coming up on the 10-year anniversary of my YouTube channel in April, which I'm very excited about. I can't believe it's been 10 years. It has, though, in April. So so what I'm thinking, I would like you guys to help me make some decisions on what I am going to do to celebrate my 10 years, because we did that video for my 2,000 subscribers and you all loved it. It was properly intense. Yeah, so if you've got any like ideas as to what we can do for my 10 years, I would love to hear them. Yeah, this dust is really tickling my nose. Oh, so dusty. So yeah, if you have any ideas, pop them in the comments. Nothing silly, nothing over the top. Be real. Yeah, don't be silly with it. I've had some pretty silly requests, and I don't I won't do those. So yeah, it's really crazy. I started that YouTube channel when I was 20 and I'm going to be 30 next month. I was a baby. Not really, I was, you know, I was quite young, and I had no idea that, you know, I was going to get like nearly 3,000 subscribers in 10 years, you know. It's absolutely insane. But yeah, if you have any so congested, if you have any ideas, please, like I said, pop them in the comments. Yeah, that's great. It's good to be back. My YouTube channel was, I got was it a 90-day ban? I can't remember, but I appealed it and I got my channel back. I get a lot of bans, unfortunately. That's why I don't post quite as often, because I don't really like having to fight. But you know, I've had a lot of people say, oh, why don't you make like a backup channel? I've worked so hard on this channel, you know. I've worked really hard to get where I am. You know, I worked really hard to get where I am. I don't want to do that. It would be too confusing anyway. I'd get confused. But yeah, your help would be appreciated. I'm trying to think of something as well, you know. And the thing is as well, I'm 200 away from 300 subscribers, so I have to do something for that as well. You know, so I'm looking forward to that. So when we get to 3,000, like I say, give me some ideas for that as well. Yeah, it's amazing. I am grateful to have this channel, you know. It's been fun meeting other people and speaking to other people like me, and, you know, sharing and all that. Whoa. Yeah, okay, right. I'm gonna go take an empty